Hi class, my name is Rick Smith. I thoroughly enjoyed working with you guys through these courses these past couple of weeks. There's been several aspects that stood out to me. First one being, of course, acknowledging the fact that there is a dark side to leadership. Being able to speak on that and see the different principles that were in place, learning those things together. Chapter 8 stood out to me with the aspect coming from a transformational leadership, which is something that I'm actually working on one aspect of the career field that I have. Taking the people who are around me and building leaders, encouraging and fostering leaders. And that leads into the second point in chapter 10 in discussing the different signs of healthy ethical climates, how to build that structure and how to reinforce that structure. They pointed out four things, two things specifically that came to mind, and I'd like to share with you all is the aspect of rewarding moral behavior, rewarding positive behavior, non-monetary, of course, but just the whole idea of celebrating a person who makes good choices, or attaboy every now and then to help foster the positive reinforcement of good ethical behavior. The second thing I got out of chapter 10 was the importance of non-micromanagement. I believe that, and I agreed with the point that the responsibility should be shared with those who are closest to the customer, or closest to the process, or closest to the actual problem. Those people should be empowered to make the decisions and to communicate those decisions to leadership. So those are a few of the aspects that stood out to me, that I plan to use in both places where I am considered a leader and also where I'm just a coworker. There's management and labor. And there's always a discrepancy between the two, but I believe that anyone and everyone can be leaders, regardless of what facet or what position they may hold. So even leading by example. So hopefully myself, as well as you as classmates, can take the information that we've had here and lead by example if all else fails. But I know that when we let our light leadership shine, that we will outdo the darkness. So thank you guys, and best wishes.